Hello everyone, you are on the Hakhverdyan channel and today we will study what a button is, what a 7-segment indicator is, what a potentiometer is, and ultrasonic. Let's start with the button. The button has 4 pins and connected to the breadboard, and now you see how the button works. If we connect pins 1 and 2, then the current from 1 goes to 2, or vice versa. We can also connect 1 to 4 and we will get a button, which when we press the current from 1 goes to 4. In this way, we can assemble a small project that will represent a button and a light, and, when we press the button the light will turn on. For this, we will take 3.3 V of current from the plate, which is necessary to turn on the light and connect it to 1, connect a wire to 4, the other end of which we will connect to the positive, that is, long leg of the light, and we will connect the other end of the light to the plate to take the negative current. This is the resulting project. Now let's talk about the 7-segment indicator. I think you are all familiar with it. We can get the numbers from 0 to 9 with it. It consists of 7 LEDs, which we can control to get our number. We controlled the light with a digital pin and a constant negative current, therefore, to connect the 7-segment indicator, 7 digital pins and 1 constant negative current are required. Let's connect it to the plata. But to turn on the light, you have to write code. Here I have written the code with which our 7-segment indicator changes the numbers from 0 to 9 endlessly. At the beginning of the code, variables are created, each of which is a digital pin of an LED. In the second part, I wrote the operation of the pins, whether they give or take information, and since we are working with LEDs, they need to give us information. And in the last part, in the void loop, I wrote the combinations of numbers from 0 to 9, when which LED should turn on or off. Let's move on to the potentiometer. The potentiometer is designed to control the current strength. When we turn it down, the current strength decreases and reaches 0, and when we turn it up, the current strength increases, reaching the maximum current you give. Let's collect it now. This is the finished project. This time, we are waiting for the ultrasonic. The ultrasonic is designed to measure distance. The ultrasonic can measure distances up to 3 meters. It works with ultraviolet rays. It has 2 eyes. It sends the beam with one eye and receives it with the other, and during that time it counts how much time has passed and calculates the distance based on that. And now let's connect it to the plate. Now we just need to code it. This is the output code that the ultrasonic uses to print the distance in cm on the screen. The digital pins are output and input because one pin gives and the other takes, and the rest is simple. This is the finished project.